MMM Ideology Presentation by Gabriel Chukwuka Endewa, Batch 18, August 2017, Group 7. My presentation are based on ideology of MMM, how MMM works, rules of MMM, benefit of MMM. What is MMM? MMM is a community of ordinary people selflessly helping each other. MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to receive money. MMM is not a bank. MMM is not an organization. MMM is not a company, neither is it a financial institution. We are people. Who are we? We are a community that is established on the principle of power of giving. We are helping people to become financially free. We are the largest donation exchange network in the world with over 200 million people worldwide, existing in over 118 countries and still growing. MMM has no central bank account. We operate on a peer-to-peer system where participants transfer money directly to each other. Our goal: we want to create a fair financial system where money will no longer be an issue and to eradicate the world unjust financial system and also to bridge the gap between the rich and the poor. 2. To create a platform where there will be no need to go to the bank to borrow money to execute financial projects. How MMM works. MMM is a community of people providing financial help to each other on the principles of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. The green icon, provide help, is used when you want to donate money. It is the starting point. It gives birth to the reward. It showcases the power of giving. The brown icon, get help, is used when you want to get donation. It is the rewarding point. It helps accomplish many projects. It also accomplishes fair financial system. Mavro. Mavro is the internal currency of MMM. It is what you buy when you pledge to donate and will start growing from that moment and at the rate of 30% per month. The calculation of reward occurs twice a week, on Tuesday and Thursday. This sum of Mavro shows how much you can request yourself. Every provide help in MMM, confirmed or unconfirmed, is always frozen for 14 days. Frozen here means you are not permitted to make withdrawal within the assigned days for you to be fully eligible to earn your rewards and bonuses. Also note that the bonus will not be confirmed until you get an order on your main PH order before it can be confirmed. MMM rule. Rule 1. Do not have multiple accounts. You can always provide help as many times as you want with one MMM account. Penalty: all accounts will be permanently blocked and you will be bound. Rule 2. Do not share email or bank details with other members. Penalty: you will also be blocked from getting help until you give identity proof. Rule 3. Do not delay in paying anytime you have an order. You have 48 hours to make payments. Penalty: you will be blocked. Rule 4. Do not edit your banking details or change password less than 15 days before getting help. Penalty: your GH will be delayed for 14 days. Rule 5. Do not click on I refuse to make payment more than once a month. Penalty: you will be blocked. Rule 6. Do not make deposit and fail to attach proof of payment. Penalty: you will be blocked. Rule 7. Do not fail to confirm your payment. Penalty: you will be blocked. Rule 8. Always remember to write your letter of happiness after every GH withdrawal. Maximum days to write it after your GH is 3 days. Penalty: you will be blocked. Rule 9. Inviting people just for the sake of bonuses without educating them or enrolling them when they are not interested is not right. Penalty: you will be sanctioned. Benefit of participants. You provide help and receive 30% more per month for your donation. Registration bonus. For every first donation, the participant receives a bonus in the amount of $20 if the donation is from 17,000 to 169,918 naira. $50 if the donation is from 170,000 to 869,980 naira. $100 if the donation is more than 900,000 naira. Referral bonus. You get 10% from all donation of the participants you invited. Inviting new members to the community is your additional contribution to its development, and the bonus is given on every new money donated for that particular month. Managers bonus. Managers of the MMM community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each of the donation of every participant in their structure. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, a manager can have his own leader whose rank is higher than him. Manager's bonus varies depending on the level you are in the structure. Thank you.